Mobi Biara Akwaba Ediba attention trending issue Jumediene so I some Jimega say ya na ya song for a journal this year akosia sewa I'm powerful bracket too. Me be attention trending issue Jumediene eba besomo ebusuafo ye nyina yes sister Suzzy Williams awanya ne baby ko 2005 September awanya ne baby ko no ni maame di nsem bi aba beto monten so asa beto dwa chese yawa maame ne fam no busuafo ano odin ye pa ene sen wo say nkofo no mo bi wiawia Suzzy Williams enta den na afa nso so omode eye yin wasa she secret bia aye busuafo ewom ene sen ne ba no enya accident no na owu yi enya accident ne kun ne ba no wanwu accident mu nipa da sani pa ne sheda eye ekun ne ba ne ntabusuafo mo me yenko tie video no.
But what is happening? You have conned this girl to you. Suzzy doesn't come to me. It is always you. So why don't you save the life of this girl to become a hero?
Yes.
I am tired of your superstitions. The daughters are doing their best.
So you saw that your daughter did not have an accident. It was a calculated
accident. It's a calculated something. So it was in the prison that he said that yes, he is the one on the steer. He is afraid if he said it, the mob will leech him. And I said, do you see?
After your daughter has died.
After we moved from when he was in the prison, then he confessed. Maybe the girl visited him, I don't know.
Eti yenko oni biem. Mbese ha. Eti oda ho no. When na no, day now pronounce the death.
They say we should wait. The daughters are doing their best. We should wait. They will see what to do. And I said, you okay. So we are waiting for some time. And then somebody came in and they brought as soon as the eyes just get in, as if I can see, it's a white substance in a syringe. That is the one they blow into the whole hair from behind like this and blow it into the nose. That is it. And they wrap her for us through, as I said. And we carry it to the mortuary. Going to the mortuary, the two of us are fighting in the car. So what I told you, do you see exactly what happens? When I speak, you don't want to listen.
Your daughter. So, Mommy, can you confirm on number 1 FM that your daughter did not die on an accident?
Yes, Suzzy is not dead by an accident. Suzzy was killed. It's a frame up something. Yes, so because after the burial, somebody told me also, should be very careful. Otherwise, my life will end just like my daughter's own. There are places I should not go.
Yeah.
I should be very careful.
Because this is a spiritual thing, no, I don't want to delve much into it. Me want say me bra ka me ka fa abado concerning her death. But when me yanko show mo empire and yammo so anko enka no one day the truth will be out.
By all means.
Yeah, the truth will be out.
Nothing hidden forever.
Yes. Those people who were there are some people who are Ghana say omu ye movie omu kasa te so obane kasa. The same obane kasa voice. Omu ne kuta sa voice.
They do their program and everything, and Suzzy's voice is the one behind it.
Many mean carry one do, but I also repeat. Eti, mommy, Oba won Chenya Assemble no worker. After she died, has he been visiting you frequently?
We talk. We join the same
So
car.
tell us the first experience when you met your daughter after she died.
After she died,
Yeah.
she called me from the junction.
A junction.
Yes, say, Mommy, I'm at the junction. Come and bring me home. And I said, but you moved from this house without listening to me. So now how do I bring you home?
So you saw her. What was she wearing?
She's wearing a very short skirt.
Yeah.
Jean skirt. And then strapped red, white, and then like wine.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 colors top. That's the t-shirt she was wearing, and was wearing cap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's continue with the conversation. What did she say?
Oh, that day after the burial, she wasn't buried yet. So I step out and I saw her crossing the street going. So I was going to buy something. When I returned home in the evening was the time she called me that she's at the junction. I should bring her home.
So today she hasn't tell you how she died.
Yes, she told me, but then I was crying in the hall.
So you did not take time to listen.
Yes, so she came to me in the afternoon about 11 a.m. She came to me and said, mommy, why are you crying? I am not dead. She said, mommy, I am not dead. Why are you crying? I am not dead. You know what happened to me? Because my head hit these things. And you know the way I die. So why are you crying? Mommy, don't cry. I am not dead. I am with you here. Look at me. So, like a dream. So suddenly I opened my eyes. And I saw the step. Clunk, 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 clunk. Then she make Then she left.
Wow.
The lady who saw her, my daughter, the other one who saw her, couldn't come because she twisted her ankle.
Wow.
Yes.
Your daughter saw
My
her.
daughter saw her. She came to the room, opened the wardrobe, picked some 1 or 2 dress, and began to cry. Shelly said she was just sitting on the bed. Mommy, what is happening? And she ran out. Mommy, Auntie Suzzy came to the room. Sister Suzzy came to the room to pick her dress, but she was crying.
Yeah.
As if the dress she doesn't like it. And I said, yes, because they've stolen her things. Some of the actresses picked her things. They stole the dresses.
And for actress, movie, sad in Roma.
So we went to the room. Many of her dresses are not in.
So, mommy, can you tell us that looking at how the whole incident happened, you can also channel some of the blame or her death to some of her colleagues who are in the movie industry?
I would not blame anybody much. If I want to blame, I will start from my own husband, because charity begins at home. I will blame the man first, because I am the mother. A mother brings up children. If there is a problem, I will approach you and tell you that, oh, this and this and this. But not every night the two of you are sitting there. Nobody knows. Every night when I move out of the room, he's sitting in the dining with the child. Really, what is happening? Until I said the girl should go home. She's not moving an inch. You will move out yourself.
Wow.
So I relaxed.
Wow.
I became quiet.
Wow.
And the rest of the words she add to it, she's gone. I will not say it. I will not add that one to it.
You know,
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yes. Like she is there, I will say it. Then she will defend herself.
And so for me to say, and 70 be wa on to me because Suzzy wu. Sanko no wa say they can no defend no. Eti Suzzy wu ye na actress ni bebre sisa de no ma. Obi amunya abusia.
Very sad.
That be very sad.
Very sad.
In fact, when you enter the room, we open the wardrobe, the dresses, the skirts, the trousers, those mini things, everything is gone.
Abusuafo ye nyina ye hu yawa na se arewo maame no odi se nipa dasani pa wetimeje ne ba ne kra every nsem cause 2005 September de ani na ye nim se accident and ye Suzzy Williams ya nka se sister wenya ne baby kono enya ye but ne maame de odi nsem ya to ya se kofo bi wia ne nta de na se bi mpaja san kofo ye de nkofo ahode esai obi inti no no de enye ne ba no enye accident na ne ban konya aye na ye de kum nipa da sani enkum nti wi ase a ebusuafo na wa hwon hu ye pa aha ene brebe makwan ama me de attention trending issue dwumadi no aba na wi ye me ameje bre e de attention trending issues e beso mu ne de ameje so ane edwana de hye akosu asewa ampa for bracket to mesra will say your social media handles na ebusuafo obe like no comment no wa share na afo front so hu niam pa attention for ye wo edema oh my Ghana makrawo